Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rose. If you are a beginning lash tech or a lash tech who wants to perfect their skills, then watch this whole video because I'm going to tell you tips and tricks on how to do that. Today's video, we're going to talk about how to make the perfect classic set. I just feel like classic set is very important and a lot of people just don't understand how important it is and how common it is for someone to get classic set. A lot of people jump from their lash courses to automatically doing volumes and they don't really take the time to improve their skills. Let me not do too much talking and let's get into the video. Tip number one is isolation. Good isolation. If you are a lash tech, you already know isolation is very important. You got to make sure that you take your time with isolation because that is what can make or break your lash set. To have good isolation, I recommend the 3 take back methods. For inner corners, make sure you pull back the lashes so you can see those little itty bitty lashes. The second tape back message is taping up those eyelids to see the multiple layers that the clients have. Getting as many lashes as you can is key to making the perfect classic set because you're able to give more dimension. And the third tape back method is to lash in section and then pull the lashes to the side. And I'm going to show you guys an example right here on all 3 methods because I think depending on the type of lash tech that you are, not all of them will be easy for you, but at least one of them will work for you. Tip number 2 correlates with tip number 1, and that is placement. In order to have a good clean classic set, placement is another important skill to have. Placement comes with time. You make sure that you use lashes that will be easier for you to place on the natural lashes. So use flat lashes instead of classic lashes when you are doing a classic set. And if you don't know the difference between classic and flat lashes, classic lashes have more of a round base and flat lashes has a flat surface so that it can lay easier on the client's lashes. But some clients do not have the best retention with flat lashes, so it's better if you get accustomed to both so that you can work around it when a client isn't able to use flat lashes. Okay, tip number 3. Your glue dry time. Now this is another thing that a lot of people don't think about, and it's something that you grow into. So if you started off as a lash tech who needed 2, 3, 4 second drying time, the more time that you practice, the better you become and the faster you will lash. So making sure that you use the right glue for you is key to having the perfect placement and the perfect classic set. Before I move on to the next tip, make sure you are subscribed. Make sure you like this video if you've gotten this far. Tip number 4 is to pay attention to your client's eye shape. This is a topic that has been growing in the lash community. I see a lot of lash techs make videos about this on TikTok, and I think it's a very important subject to talk about because not every lash client can have the same set. With classic set, it's better to go on the more natural side as far as length and thickness. It's better to use a curl or a lash thickness that is closer to your client's natural lashes than to use something that is overpowering. So when you are doing a classic set, it's very important that you look at your client's eye shape so whatever you use on her can complement her eye. I hope that I was able to help you guys and teach you guys a couple new things. These are all the ways that you can achieve the perfect classic set and you can start making some money because whether you like it or not, this is the most popular set in the game. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you when the sun rises. Bye.